Let's introduce you to our tiny protagonist, Germy. You might be wondering, how does he embark on his journey? Well, it begins when someone sneezes. In an instant, Germy takes flight into the air like a microscopic astronaut. Yes, that's right. Our Germy is now airborne. But the question remains, where does he go from there? As Germy whimsically drifts around, an individual takes in a breath. Suddenly, Germy discovers a new dwelling. We don't simply fill our lungs with oxygen, we also inhale microscopic germs. Picture Germy, our flu germ, being lifted and transported into a humid passageway. He whirls around, dives into the throat, then rushes headlong towards the lungs. Germy has now arrived at the lungs. The adventure has merely begun. Once Germy enters your body, it starts to multiply, generating more flu germs. This is the reason why we fall ill when we catch the flu. Germy, along with its cohorts, just like miniature agents, roam around various parts of your body, a trail of germs. They are the force behind your fever, the irritating throat, the sneezes, and the cough. But your body doesn't just sit back, it retaliates. So the body is now a multitude of flu germs.